Hi folks, I've got a bit of a dilemma on this Vauxhall Vectra C petrol engine 1800. It had a blowing exhaust, which I had a new exhaust put on in August this year. Complete exhaust all the way through. That's a front downpipe, the middle box and also the back box as well. And I've just had it replaced under warranty, and I want you to tell me what you think this sounds like. It sounds exactly the same to me. So this is the sound after it's been replaced. So first of all, I'm just going to start it up. It's just come back from being replaced. Now, I'll have to get a shower now because I want you to come around the back and listen. When it's driving along, it burbles like anything. So let me get Sharon and then we're going. I'll show you when she revs it up. And you tell me what you think. Right, Sharon's in the car now. There's no fault codes up or anything. So the chap down there told me after I phoned him back that he said he thinks it might be over fueling, but I don't agree. I just want you to listen to this. Oh, it's wet. The ground bloody wet down here. Right, that's a new pipe. Go on the shower. Just rev it. Do it again. Can you hear that burbling? And again. Now, that's a brand new pipe, as you can see. There's no leaks around it. And when you're driving along, it's just like a droning, like a burbly droning noise on the overrun sort of thing. It's never done it before. He said to me that it's had the second new pipe on now, and he never mentioned anything until I got home and I phoned him up and I said, you must have heard it. And he said, well, it was quieter than when it come in. But that to me isn't right. And I'm contemplating taking it down to a different exhaust garage just to see what they think. Apparently he said it's not leaking. The first time I took it down there, this was 2 days ago or just before the weekend. And he told me that he put it up on the ramp. This was with the other exhaust on, which was new in August. He said that it was leaking at the middle box, and they said they sealed it up. I said, if it plays up again, bring it back. Anyway, on the way home, sure enough, it sounded exactly the same, so I took it back, and he said he'd order a new middle box again and a new back box, which is exactly what he'd done. He phoned me up yesterday and said it's in, or Saturday he said it's in. Come down today, put it on. That's what I've drove it home, and I thought to myself, that's not right. And I phoned him up, and he said, well, it's quieter than what it was, but I said it's burbling like the back box. I didn't do that before. And he said, well, it might be over fueling. But I said there's no fault codes up or anything like that, and it's been running absolutely sweet. Ticks over lovely, running sweet as a nut, as it always has done. And I said, well, I'm going to find out if it's got any fault codes, which it hasn't. I've already checked. So there's nothing wrong with the fuel delivery or fuel supply to make it richer or whatever. And so I just want your advice. If there's any exhaust fitters out there, if you've come across this before, especially with a brand new exhaust that's on, that sort of burbling noise, which it's never done before. Could it be a characteristic of the pipes that they're using? I don't know. So just let me know what you think in the comment section and what you think I should do. Should I pay someone to independently look at it? Apparently it's not leaking, but I thought if I just record the sound and throw it out to you lot, you might come out with something which I haven't thought of, or they may not have, or they may have overlooked or whatever. Anyway, thanks very much. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, I look forward to your comments in the comment section below. See you later, folks. Bye for now.